let us do this problem. If y equals to 2x over x square plus 4 under the root, then find y prime. So let us take this as like f over g. Do you remember the formula for f over g? I wrote that like u over v, right? Still you can find, but I just wanted to not confuse you. For we assume that as u as well later, and then there are many u, I mean same u for different things. I don't like that. That's why I just want to do f and g there. Okay, so what is the formula for the derivative of f over g? It is f prime times g minus f times g prime over g squared. That is the formula, right? Let me use that. So what is y prime? So the y prime here is basically, so the y prime is equals to f prime is 2, the derivative of 2x is 2, times g is root x squared plus 4 minus f is 2x times g prime is root x squared plus 4 prime. You see that? Over g square is root x squared plus 4 and then square of this. You see that? Now the first term we will keep as it is because there is no derivative there. So that will be 2 root under x squared plus 4. Alright? Minus 2x. What is the derivative of that? So let me show you how to find out the derivative of that, the root x squared plus 4. Okay? So there is x squared plus 4 to the 1/2, and you are finding the derivative of that prime. It is like you can think this as like this, the inside the parenthesis is u, so it is like u to the 1/2, right? Basically what you have is basically u to the 1/2, that is basically u to the 1/2 and then prime, right? What is the formula for that? You use formula number 1 there. That will be 1/2 and then u and then 1/2 minus 1 times the u prime, right? So 1/2 and then u to the negative 1/2 times, what is u prime? U is x squared plus 4, so that will be just 2x. You see that? So you divide that 2 with that 2, that cancel out. So what you get is x is in the top. I want to move this to the bottom, root u, right? So what is the value of u though? X over root under x squared plus 4. That's what I'm going to write there. So 2x times x over root under x squared plus 4. That's what you get. You can leave like this, or the better way is you just make the same denominator, okay? Because there is 1 in the denominator, you multiply the denominator and write that thing. So by the way, I forgot the overall denominator is x squared plus 4, okay? So again, as I mentioned, you can just leave it like this, but your online homework is a little picky about how do you write the answers, okay? So you better simplify this one. Let me simplify those things since I'm running out of space there. So what I want to do is I want to simplify that here, okay? Let me write the same denominator on the fraction in the numerator. So what you do is on the numerator you can write root under x squared plus 4, because 1 times root under x squared plus 4 is root under x squared plus 4. Now you do the conjugate multiplication like that, okay? So what do you get? 2 times root under x squared plus 4 times root under x squared plus 4 will be just x squared plus 4. That's what you get, okay? Minus 1 times 2x times x is 2x squared, whole divided by x squared plus 4, right? And then there is always 1 in the denominator of that, so I want to write like this. Let me FOIL the numerator first. 2x squared plus 8 minus 2x squared over root under x squared plus 4, right? Times 1 over x squared plus 4, like that. Now you can cancel this negative 2x squared and positive 2x squared. This is just the algebra concept, right? So just simplifying. So what you get is 8 over, there is x squared plus 4 to the 1/2. There is x squared plus 4 to the 1, right? That is just exponent 1. It is like multiplying. Do you know how do you multiply x to the 1/2 times x? You just write the same base and then write 1/2 plus 1, right? It is basically x to the 3/2. That's how you combine those two. So similarly, how you do that, there is x squared plus 4 to the 1/2 is for that, and since you are multiplying with that, plus 1. So your final answer for this problem, that example is 8 over x squared plus 4 to the 3/2. This is the form of answer the wave sign like, okay? So basically that will be 8 over x squared plus 4 to the 3/2. That is the final answer for this problem. Okay, so let me do another example here. We will do many examples as I mentioned earlier. So let me do this problem here. Okay, there is a chain outside, the whole power is 2, and then there is quotient inside. Okay, so how do I handle this problem? So what I'm going to do here is I want to assume that this whole thing as u, so it is like u square. Okay, so basically you have f of x equals to u square, right? Where u is t square, or f of t, I'm sorry, this will be f of t because this is function of t. On the right hand side, t is the only variable. Okay, f of t. So f of t equals to u square, where u is t square over t to the 4 plus 1. So what is f prime of t then? F prime of t is equals to 2u to the 2 minus 1, that is just 1, right, times u prime. So what is u prime? That can be written as 2u times u prime is t square over t to the 4 plus 1, that is u prime. I want to find the derivative of that. So that can be written as 2u times, what is the derivative? You can think that as like f over z, right? You can think that as f over z. See, what is the quotient rule? F prime of z minus f z prime over z square. Let me do that. Okay, guys. So let me do that thing. So you will basically get f prime is 2t times z is t4 plus 1. F prime times z minus f is t square times z prime is 4t cube plus 0. You see that? Because t to the 4th has 4t, 4 minus 1, 4t cube plus 1 has derivative 0, divide by z square is t to the 4 plus 1 to the square. You see that? Let us simplify that. You will get 2u. How much is that? That is 2t to the 5 plus 2t. Because you see that 2t times t to the 4 is 2t to the 5 plus 2t times 1 is 2t minus 4t to the 5 divide by t to the 4 plus 1 square. Okay, I should have put that the value of u here too, so that it will be one step shorter, right? What is the value of u? You just replace back, so it is t square over t to the 4 plus 1. Now look at this. You have t to the 4 plus 1, t to the 4 plus 1 to the square. So the overall will be, it is t to the 4 plus 1 to the cube, right? 4 plus 1 to the cube. Okay, now you FOIL this, but before that, what I want to do here is 2 times t to the 5 minus 4 times t to the 5. You can subtract that, right? So it will look like this. 2, you can write like t squared out, that is perfectly fine. And twice t minus 2t to the 5. Because these two are the like terms, you see that? This term and that term are the like. They have t to the 5. There is 2t to the 5 minus 4t to the 5 is negative 2t to the 5, okay? So if you want to, you can take t out as well. So it will look like this, okay? So it will look like the final answer. You can, I think the wave sign accept like this answer too, but if you want to be more specific, if it doesn't like that answer, I have to factor that t out, so it will look like, oh, also 2 out, 2t out. So if you take 2t out, so that 2 and 2 will be 4t cubed, right? 4t cubed. And then 1 minus t to the 4 divided by t to the 4 plus 1 to the third. That is the very final answer. Okay guys,